you guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, tonight I have corn, lobsters, eggs, shrimp, sausage, and I have me some garlic and butter sauce. And I'm drinking some berry punch. Well, how you guys' day was today? My day has been awesome, but busy. But anyway, I'm just gonna get ready to dig in because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten nothing really all day. I've been trying to say, hold my stomach. I don't want to eat because I wanted my seafood. You know? So I'm gonna eat an egg right now. See, my first thing I had to eat this morning, I think I only had a sandwich and that was it. Well, tonight I wanted these lobsters and crabs. So that's what I got. I wonder if everybody's getting ready for Christmas. I see a lot of pretty decorations that a lot of people have on their houses, and people have around the house, and people have some beautiful Christmas trees. This was the first time I put the lobster in the oven. Normally I'll put it steaming on top of the stove when I do make it, but I put it in the oven this time, and then this is good. I did use my chomp queen season. I did use that over my seafood. And it is good. Like I said, I did use a little bit of what is this other season I use? A little bit of complete season that I used. Just a little bit for my shrimp and stuff like that. These shrimps are good. I am trying to see, can I do a little more videos and stuff like that, if I can post them more often, because every day dealing with life and squeezing this in and doing things that you do on a daily basis is not easy. Because while I'm cooking my dinner, I have to do a separate dinner for the kids and my husband. So you got so many things going at one time, or you try to cook something a little earlier than the other. But unfortunately, you get it all done. You do really get it done. Excuse me. I did buy more Hershey farm sausages again, since I liked them. And they have them on sale. 3 for $10 at the store. So I won't be running out no time soon. Well, I am trying to get ready for Christmas. I just don't want to be in no stores or nothing like that. I'm gonna see what all I can find for everybody and call it day. I'm almost finished though, but I got a few more things I need to buy, and then I'll be done. I did find these crabs at the fresh market because I couldn't find any. These snow crabs, I couldn't find any that looked worth buying nowhere else. So I got it at the fresh market. Thank God they did have some that looked pretty much worth buying. Trying to get this open. Let's see. Now, I'm gonna see if I find more from somewhere else, but I'll either try another fresh market in another neighborhood to see. Do they have any? These ones not cooperating with me. Normally just come right open and I can get all the meat. There's juice just flying everywhere. I want to thank everybody for commenting under my last video and watching it. I really appreciate it. For you guys watching, liking it and sharing it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, can you please do so? Hopefully I'll be able to finish most of this. I started doing video. Now my phone won't ring. I'll just call them back, whoever. And I really have to go buy me some more of these big old shrimps because they are good. And they do have a lot of meat on them. And you don't need that many to eat. You don't need that many to get full, I mean. This garlic butter is good too. But you know, I try to have my sauce, but since I don't have any right now, I'm just gonna use this for now. So I really don't like too much of butter. I know it's good to eat the crabs with, but I'm trying to stay away from that butter. Ooh. I'm getting full already. I was gonna do some potatoes, but I was like, not this time around, no potatoes. Because I know when eating potatoes, you do get full kind of fast. But anyway, YouTube, how you guys been doing? I hope you guys been good, well, blessed. I hope you guys just been trying to stay positive through all this that we got going on in this world. Even though they say it's a crazy world that we got going on, but hopefully everybody's trying to stay positive. And that's all we can mainly do. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching my video and sharing some encouraging words with me as well under my comments and things like that. If you guys want me to do any other videos that you may want to see or want me to do, just let me know. I'm thinking about doing the TikTok challenge they were saying my kids were telling me about with the jalapeno peppers and the blue Takis and chips and stuff like that. So I don't know, I'm not really a person that likes spicy food. I really don't too much eat spicy food, but I will try it. I will see how that goes. I want them to do it with me, so maybe they will do it with me. Then I was thinking about doing another video, maybe about with doing like Christmas donuts and stuff that we like to eat during the holiday times, as so far as sweets and things like that. But anyway, guys, I noticed the video's gonna be short. It's not too long, but I just want to come on to let you guys talk, so I can talk to you guys a little bit, just to say hello and thank you, and hopefully I'll be back with some more seafood soon. If I can find the crabs. The problem is the crabs. Please just pray I can find some. Because certain places you go, you cannot find them, or they too small. And I'm trying to really find a place I can order them, so I won't have to worry about going through this shenanigans with it, or going from store to store to find them. But hopefully I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and pray. But if you guys know a place where I can get them from, or to order them, can you please share and let me know? And I'll do my best to try to get them, because I love snow crabs and I love lobsters as well, only the baby lobster tails. I want to get me some more. I want to also try the other bigger lobsters, but I don't know if I'm pushing my luck with that one. But I know I like the baby lobster tails or whatever, you know. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. Have a great day.